Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another 2-in-1 wig review. This time I'm going to be featuring one wig in two different colors. This is Zephany by OUTRE. She is a new release, under $25, no glue, no gel. This is a very beginner friendly wig. So if you guys want to hear all of my thoughts and opinions, go ahead and get right on into today's video. I absolutely love filming 2-in-1 wig reviews, and I know that you guys really enjoy watching them. So that is what I'm going to be doing in today's video. I found a new wig. I think it's new anyway. It's by OUTRE, and I'm not really 100% sure how to pronounce the name. If I had to guess, I would pronounce it Zephany. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of Zephyr Hills, but that's because I live in Florida. I don't know if y'all know what Zephyr Hills is. I decided that I wanted to review this wig in two different colors. The model on the stock card is wearing a natural color, but there was one color that I saw and I was like, I don't know which one to choose, so I'm just gonna get both. I don't want to ramble too much. I want to go ahead and get into this review. If you guys like videos like this and you are not already subscribed, hit that button down below and let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Well, that rhymed. Here is the wig that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys today. Her name is Zephany, and as I mentioned, I have it in two different colors. This first color that I'm going to show you guys is the color Cinnamon Spice. If you don't know, the basic chick in me is obsessed with fall. So when I saw that they were offering a Cinnamon Spice color, I was like, you know what? I have to. Like, how could I not? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go ahead and get into what she looks like. So here is the style and this really pretty cinnamon color. So there are a few claims with this wig. It claims to have HD transparent lace. It is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, and it has a pre-plucked lace part with natural baby hairs. It is already set as a right side part, and as you can tell, this wig is not dark rooted. The parting space does look pretty nice, and it does come with short baby hair, so I would say that these baby hairs are natural, like it claims. And as far as the cap construction, you get two combs on the left and right hand side, and you get a comb in the back as well as adjustable straps, so everything's standard there. Whew. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first observation, this wig is definitely on the snug side. I do have a large head. It is 23 inches, and this is fitting me pretty snug. It does not come down ear to ear, and I have a feeling when I cut the lace I'm really gonna see how far back this wig is sitting on me. I'm also not loving how like this front piece keeps falling, and I mean, I love me a good swoop bang, but it's a little thin at the top. I might end up having to add in a dark root, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off and get to styling this wig, and then I'll be right back to give you guys my final thoughts and opinions.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me.
I am back and I am done styling this wig. Let's go ahead and jump on into the pros and cons about this unit. I always like to start off with the cons so that we can end on a positive note, and then we'll go ahead and switch into the other color. So with this wig in particular, this color, I am receiving an awful lot of shedding. I'm pretty sure I'm getting a lot of shedding because of the color. We'll see if that stays true with the natural color that I have, but with this wig, I'm getting just a lot of loose hair. So the next con that I have is the front hairline. So the hairs that are tied into the lace are falling straight down. They're not like bumped up and then falling to the side. No, they fall straight down. So that is definitely annoying, especially if you're somebody who wears lashes. It's also annoying because it shows where the wefts start and the top of the weft is black. So there's no concealing that unless this wig was dark rooted or if you went in with a dark root. And I contemplated adding a dark root myself, but then I was like, you know what? I don't want to. So I didn't. I did try to apply some heat to push the hair back. I used my blow dryer on the high heat setting because this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and that didn't really seem to do much. I could go get my hot comb, but it's in my hall closet and I just was being lazy. But I feel like maybe a hot comb would help push the front hairs back. Or maybe like some hairspray or something like that, but I just don't love that it falls straight down and it doesn't give you that swoop bang. I really think that's it for the cons, only 2. Let's go ahead and talk about the pros. Now, I do love this color. I would love it even more if it was slightly dark rooted, like with a number 4, not necessarily a 1B or anything like that, but like a nice like chocolatey brown root. I would live for it, but I really do love this color. It's not flat and one-dimensional. It does have nice like variation, so I'm really I'm really appreciative of that. The next pro that I have is the length. It's sitting on me right here, like at the top of my chest. It's about 18 inches long. I am 6 feet tall. I love this length. It's natural every day. I also really like the relaxed barrel curls. It's not like overly big and poofy or like super romantic, you know what I'm saying? But it's nice and it's cute and I really do love it. I do think that it is a blunt cut. I don't see very many layers at all in this wig. Another pro that I have is I haven't received any tangling with this wig, which is really nice. This texture feels like a light yaki. It's definitely riding that fine line between silky and yaki. So I was expecting to get some tangling and I'm sure eventually I will, but right out of the box and, you know, having it on my head, styling it and doing all that, I haven't received any tangling, which is really nice. I did not glue this wig down or spray it down with any Got2b glue free spray because I knew that I was going to take it off and try on the other one. All I did was add in some pressed powder to the part and along the hairline, and that was it. The lace did appear a little bit light, but when I took it off after I cut the lace, I just added my bronzer to the lace and that, you know, helped it blend in really nicely. Let me know how you guys are feeling. Let me know how you guys are feeling Zephany in this let me know down in the comments how you guys are feeling Miss Zephany in this cinnamon. I can't say it. Let me know how you guys are feeling Miss Zephany in this cinnamon spice color. Would this be a color that you would add to your collection? Are you feeling it? Are you not? I'm gonna go ahead and try on Zephany in a number 2. The cap construction and everything is the same. It is literally the same wig. So I will be back once I am done styling it and I will give you guys my final thoughts and opinions.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone.
Here's what Miss Zephany looks like in a color number 2. I will say right off the bat that this is a very dark number 2. I would almost argue that this is like a 1B wear. 2 wear. 1? I could see that, okay? I think it was Bobbi Boss Carmella, and I got that in a number 1, and I was like, wow, like you never know how dark hair is until you get jet black, you know what I'm saying? And this is jet black hair. It's gorgeous, and it has a really nice shine to it, but it's definitely not a number 2. I do think that this wig is available in a number 4, so if you are somebody who usually gets a number 2 because you don't want something this dark, maybe try the number 4. But when I want a number 2, I want a number 2. If I wanted a 1, I would get 1. You know what I'm saying? Am I rambling? Probably. Let's go ahead and jump right into the pros and cons. And you would think that because I'm wearing the same wig, I would have the same pros and the same cons, but I don't. So let's go ahead and get into those. The next con is the shedding. And while I did have that con with the cinnamon spice color, this one shed so much worse than the cinnamon spice, which didn't make sense in my mind. The shedding that I was getting was, y'all, like this wig shed so much. At one point when I put the hair together, you could see it. And I showed y'all, like, it was shedding a lot. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let y'all know, I'm pretty sure whichever color you choose, if you get this wig, you're going to receive some shedding, so be prepared. I think that's it for the cons, just those 2 things. Now let's go ahead and jump into the pros. The first pro is this hairline. I'm not having that issue of the hairs falling straight down like I did with that other color. This is come in how I expected it to come. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not giving me swoop bang, but you know, it could if you wanted to. This one definitely seems to be constructed a little bit better than the other one. I do still love the style and the length. I do prefer it in a natural color. I think it just looks really, really nice. It kind of reminds me of Sherilyn. That was the reverse ombre that I showed you guys a few months back. It's kind of giving me that vibe with the length and the style. The same thing goes for the other one. All I did was add in my bronzer on the lace and added some powder in the parting space, and that was it. I didn't glue these wigs down or anything like that. With the cinnamon spice, because of how the front part was laying, I did cut some bangs or like feathered the front, but I didn't do that with this wig. I left it how it is straight out of the box. But I love how this looks. It just looks really, really pretty, and I feel like this would be like a really nice, like, I don't know, this is cute. I think that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it and you want to see more videos like this, let me know if you want me to try one wig in multiple colors like I did in today's video. I would like to do that for you guys. And yeah, if you guys want to purchase Miss Zephany, I will leave a Google link down below, and that way you can see which website is featuring it for the least amount of money, so that we can save as much coin as possible. And if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and turn on your notifications so you never miss an upload from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Put your arms around me.